At Home with Wesley. Today's episode is strawberry milkshake. So we are going to make today strawberry shake. So you're going to use bananas.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 half bananas.
Now we're going to be using strawberries. 1, 2.
Now, are those strawberries cleaned and trimmed?
Yep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're gonna use milk, and my dad's gonna help.
There we go. And how much milk do we put in here, Wesley?
2. 1, 2.
A little bit more.
Up until where?
To the top.
The top, or maybe right below the fruit. Is that a good spot?
Yeah.
Right. And one more important ingredient you were very excited about.
This.
What is this?
A powder. Sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar.
So what is that we're pouring in?
Sugar.
We don't want glass in our smoothie, do we?
No.
That's a Vitamix, but it'd still be not very good.
And now we're putting the top on the blender.
Yeah. Very good. I'll help you right there. Okay. And whoa, you're so strong. There you go. All right. Now, do you remember how to use this blender?
No.
Okay. Start here.
Up or down?
Up. And then walk this up all the way. Other way. Okay, Wesley?
I'm so excited to try.
So what are we doing now?
We're pouring it in.
Okay, so I'll help you take the top off. And I'll probably help you pour it too. Okay, wait for me.
I'm so excited.
Now, what kind of cup are we pouring this into today?
We're pouring this into my dinosaur T-Rex cup today.
Cool.
Awesome. All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Are you guys so excited to try it too?
I
right.
am so
I'm going to put this right back here, and you can take a big sip.
Here is strawberries.
Is it good?
Yeah. And you pour it in.
Looks good, Wes.
Okay.
There's more of this here if you guys want.
Cheers.
It's delicious, Wes.
You did a great job.
At Home with Wesley was filmed in front of a live studio audience. You get a toy too.